so much happening at Frederick St. What's happening today?
Straight away, I see the black side panels on the overheads. What is going on?
We're so close to the end. Let's finally make it a home. The demo is done. Rough-in is about to start, so let's go check it out. So Raquel and I are headed to Frederick St to check in with Mark.
Today we're going to mark out the cabinetry and get the kicks installed, hopefully start installing the carcasses so we can free up some more space, and go over the plumbing with the plumber who'll be here soon, so we can go and mark everything out for him so he knows what's going on.
The roughing stage is vital for an interior designer or a builder to be on site when the plumber is there. When they're installing your tapware, you want to make sure that it is in the exact location that you want it to be. If not, this could be a very expensive mistake to fix later.
So when measuring out your shower height, we recommend roughly around 2100 to 2150. It is personal preference, but depending if you're shorter or taller, I recommend jumping in the shower and getting a feel for how it looks for you in the space.
And another hot tip, you really want to allow between 900 and a metre of width of your shower.
Good tip.
Yeah.
Hi mate, excavator has ripped the water service out and we're chasing it back to repair it, so may not get there today. 100% there tomorrow and finish Monday. Sorry again, mate.
You are kidding. The plumber can't make it. What do you call yourself? A highly adaptable human?
Exactly.
It's all part of the game, isn't it?
It's all part of the game.
So with any renovations, they never run smoothly. That's just how they are. But I guess it is only one day. Like, we'll be fine.
Looks like we'll be coming back tomorrow.
In the bathroom, we had a little issue with the waste. So because we had a concrete wall, it was really hard for the plumber to dig out that concrete wall to install the correct plumbing. So what we had to do is come up with a solution, and we decided to do a little nib wall, which is actually hidden underneath the vanity, and everything's tucked away.
It's all looking good in the bathroom and we are ready to rough in. So over the next few days, we've got the electrical rough-in happening, we've got the laundry being reframed, and then the cabinetry being finished off. Look at the cabinetry, it's finally gone in.
Oh my God.
Wait.
So as we walk into the project and I'm seeing all the cabinetry that's just been installed, straight away I see the black side panels on the overheads and I'm like, what is going on? This is meant to be timber oak. I just still can't believe that this is black.
Why
That's just so obvious.
would they think that we wanted it to be black underneath if the fronts are like...
I genuinely don't know what we're going to do with only 3 weeks to go.
Looking good. Give us an update. I love Lou. She's such an optimist.
Renee and I are over here stressing about absolutely all the finer details. And meanwhile, Lou's just like, no, everything looks amazing, everything looks good.
We've got the floor done.
Oh wow, it looks so good. God,
This looks so good.
Cabinetry's all in.
How good. How good do the two colours go together?
Yeah, very good.
Love it. This looks so good. Yeah, so good. It's so stunning. The black just looks so good.
So a lot has happened since we were here last. The tiling in the bathroom has started, we've had painting and the floors are going down.
I'm so glad we went for the nib wall with the VJ paneling.
Me too, I love it.
Adds so much dimension to the room now.
The Lighting Collective wall sconces have been installed in the bedroom and they look amazing.
I'm so in love with the vanilla bean colour that we chose.
These are the most amazing linear mosaics from Tile Touch. Now, these guys have made this room, don't you reckon?
Yeah, they've definitely saved us.
Vanity's in,
Yeah,
sinks mirror,
gorgeous.
mirror cabinet.
Yeah. Oh, I'm
can't
so
wait.
excited for this to come together.
Yay!
There is so much happening at Frederick St. Hello! Can you believe it?
Oh, I'm so excited!
Off day.
I know! We're so close to the end.
We made the 4-week mark.
Just. Maybe.
Let's go check it out.
Look at this cabinetry.
Oh my God, I'm so stoked with how it's coming together.
I know! Can we have a look that this is not black anymore?
I know, I'm so glad that we were able to get that fixed up just in time.
It did push out the overall timeline a tiny bit, but I'm really stoked that we were able to get it done.
Yeah. What about these tiles?
I love it. So this is what we continued from the bathroom through to the kitchen. So tile touch again, amazing job getting them here on time.
Butts. Wow!
Look at it! Look at this.
Oh my God, how good does it look?
Wow, it's just so different.
Stunning, so luxe. And I love the stone.
Yeah.
I'm so obsessed with that. I'm so glad
It's
we went
such a
with that
feature,
stone.
hey?
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
And I really like these Zuru basins too. They're one of our newer undermount basins, and I think they just make this whole vanity look seamless. Do you know that the next time we're going to be here, it's going to be done?
I know.
Well, essentially install day, but
We're ready for the fun part, which is bringing in all the furniture
I
and
can't
styling.
wait. Get ready, guys.
Let's finally make it a home. So the renovation is finished and it is time for styling.
So Lou hasn't seen the space for 2 weeks. I really hope she likes it.
I'm pretty proud of what we've created.
Oh, I'm sure you guys have done an incredible job.
You are going to be speechless when you see this.
I am so excited. I just want to get in there.
It's honestly worlds apart, Lily, so let's go check it out.